Nice to meet you. What? Excuse me, man. Yo.
London to eat something, bro.
Oh, you hungry? Nah, bro, he hungry, bro. What you want to eat? Get what you want, bro. Come on. There we go. Oh, yeah, you want a burrito? This all you want? This all? How much is it? All right, bet. I'm going to do card. You want a drink? Bro, like, you need some water to wash that down. I want this, too. There we go. All right, bet, bro. You keep this, though. All right, bro? You keep this, though. My name's Speed, bro. All right, bro. Have a nice one, bro.